Hi guys, today we are thrifting for fall. I decided to stop by a Goodwill first. Typically, I don't really like Goodwills because I feel like they are overpriced, but at the same time, I feel like every thrift store is like that nowadays. I first saw this Dooney and Burke bag when I walked in, but it wasn't really in great condition. It was overpriced and it wasn't my style, so I decided to leave this behind for someone else. Then I saw another really cute pink bag and I felt like this one was also just not good quality. It almost felt like something for kids. I was gonna get this bag because it was more my style, but the inside was not in good condition. I saw this clown and I told Lorenz that it was probably the same height as him, and what do you know, it is. Personally, my favorite holiday of the year has to be Halloween, and I'm not just saying that because my birthday's in October. I just love October in general, and I love seeing the decorations that they're putting out. I really like this girl's outfit that I saw on TikTok, and she was wearing something like this and it was really cute, but I think this one's too small for me. This cardigan is really cute, but I don't know, I'm not like 100% on it yet. I think it might be because the sleeves are kind of too short on me, but it's so cute. I love like the detailing. It's like a matcha green too. As a girl who lives in SoCal, I don't own any jackets, any rain jackets, and I mean, do I really need one? I live in SoCal. It hardly rains over here, but I do want to look for more sweaters and long sleeve. I found this aloe top, but I don't know, something about it doesn't feel authentic to me, like the material. Probably just leave this one behind for someone else. Look at what I found. I found like a vintage Jennifer Lopez or like early Y2K top. I don't know if I want it for myself or if I should sell it on my Depop. It's kind of cute though. This is the next thrift store that I went to. If you guys are in the area, I do not gatekeep. I love putting people on. This cardigan gave me Brandy Melville vibes, but I tried it on and the sleeves fit very awkward and it was only $4, so I left this behind for someone else. I used to have a really bad habit of buying stuff even if I knew I wasn't gonna really wear it, just because I thought it was cute. So now I try to be so much more mindful with shopping, but if it is unique and I know someone else will really enjoy it, then I'll get it and relist it on my Depop. And I do keep my prices pretty affordable, and I just like doing that for fun. It's not something that I do as like a job or anything. But fun fact, I used to sell at flea markets a while back and I used to thrift all the time, and I feel like back then I found so much more unique pieces. Recently, I don't know, I just haven't been able to find anything, and that was a random rant. But what I was trying to say is that I used to also sell on Depop at the time, and it was really fun. But now I feel like just listing every item on Depop can be so time consuming, so I only do it with certain things. And I came across this Rhode like makeup bag and I really wanted it, but I thought to myself, like, if it wasn't Rhode, would I get it? And the answer is probably not. And I already have pouches, I don't need another one. But these heels were really cute. The only thing was that they were in pretty bad condition, and this was the outfit that I was wearing. My top is thrifted and my shorts are also thrifted, but the brand is Levi's, and I will show where the top is from later in this video. And I feel like my outfit was giving very California, but it was just so hot. We're gonna try on all the clothes that I thrifted, and if I'm gonna be honest, I didn't find that many things on my first thrift trip that I filmed for this video, and that's just how it is when you go thrifting. Sometimes you find stuff, sometimes you don't. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the things that I've accumulated while thrifting these last few weeks / month. I just didn't have luck this last trip, and that's okay. I love thrifting Brandy, and I actually have this exact same sweater that I bought from Brandy, and this one was less than $10. This one is really nice because it's a lighter cream color and they do keep you warm, especially if you wear like a long sleeve underneath. I also just love the fit. It's super comfy and cozy. Another Brandy item, I love the v-neck style, and I like that you can put it up or down to give like an off the shoulder look. It's also not cropped, which I like because I feel like I have too many crop shirts. Can't remember the exact price, but I think this one was $5 or less. So these neck shorts, I actually got them at a garage sale. They were a very awkward fit, almost like capris, but just worse. But I had a vision for it. I knew I wanted some longer mom dad-ish shorts, so I thought I would distress the bottom and cut them, and they became one of my favorite shorts to wear this summer. I don't have a pair of shorts this color, and they're Lee jeans, so I love that the tag is also on the back part. Did fit me a little loose on the waist. I don't know if you guys could see that well, but I bought these like extra buttons on Amazon. I could just pin this button right here and then it fits me perfectly. That same day that I went to the garage sales, I also found this cargo skirt from Bongo, which I love Bongo so much. I feel like it's so much harder to thrift it now though. I love how their vintage shorts fit. So I thought this skirt was really cute, and I love that the pockets are also functional, but it is way too big for me. And it's not even to the point where I can wear a belt because it just looks very awkward. And even if I add the buttons on the skirt, like it just starts bunching up right here and it looks weird. So I just listed this on my Depop. I definitely want to go to more garage sales. This top is very Y2K. The tag is Jennifer Lopez. When she had her clothing brand back in the 2000s, like this is such a cool find. It's so hard for me to also come across. I've only came across her clothing brand like one other time at the thrift. You guys will see it better in the try on, but I know a lot of people like wearing ponchos and stuff now, and I think this gives that same vibe, except it looks more elevated. It has these little ties right here to really cinch in the top. It is pinned right here, so it can go lower if you want to show more. I'm gonna list this on my Depop too because I feel like someone else can wear this so much more. Also, my Depop will be linked in the description. Like I said, I live in SoCal, so our fall isn't until late November, early December, maybe. So I could definitely still wear shorts. I have a lot of shorts, but I really want like longer ones. The ones that I have are too cheeky. Not that I don't like it, but for like every day, I do feel like sometimes I want to wear longer shorts. These are from Cotton On. They are a high-rise mom jean. Sometimes I'm like skeptical about mom shorts because I feel like they're not flattering on me. These are, and I love the wash. This next skirt, I believe, is from Urban Outfitters because I've seen this brand there. It's BP. It has some built-in shorts. I really love wearing skirts all year around. If I wear like fleece leggings with the skirt, it still looks cute too. The only thing I don't like about this skirt is that it gets wrinkled so fast, and for some reason this always folds in right here at the bottom. It's so cute. I don't even care, and for the price that I got it for, I can't complain. It's not low rise but not too high-waisted. I already thrifted a pretty good, nice fitting black shirt, so I wanted a nice fitting white shirt. Found this one also from Brandy. It's a bit cropped. I wish it was a bit longer. I still will be on the hunt for a longer top, but this one was just a really good basic, and I've worn it so many times already with so many different outfits, so I'm glad I got this. I love thrifting PJs, especially slip dresses. I don't know how this is gonna look in the try on. This slip dress is from Victoria's Secret. So comfy, it's so soft, and it's a size medium. I thought it was gonna be a bit too big for me, but once I adjusted the straps, it fit fine. This matcha green jacket from Brandy Melville. I don't have a zip up this color, and it's also not too oversized because I have tried some of their zip ups and for me they're a bit too oversized, but this one for some reason just fits perfectly. So that is it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Fingers crossed next time I go thrifting I can really just stick to sweaters, long sleeves, jackets, because I am also planning on going to the UK soon, so I really need to get more cold appropriate clothes because I don't have any. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.